Hey guys, welcome back to Digit.in. Budget smartphone space in India is completely dominated by Xiaomi. And even though there have been many attempts to dethrone the Xiaomi Redmi 4 in the sub 8000 smartphone segment, no phone has done it yet. The new Infinix Hot S3 priced at 8,999 rupees is another phone which is taking a stab at that. Starting with the build and design, you get the newer 18:9 aspect ratio, making it one of the very few devices under 10,000 rupees to offer that. The bezels are still as thick as on any other budget phone, but then again for the price, that was expected. The plastic non-removable back has been given a nice metallic finish, giving it a metal-like look with chamfered edges and a drilled speaker grille at the bottom. The back also has the fingerprint scanner, which is not particularly fast but does the job. Coming back to the display, you get a 5.7-inch IPS LCD display which has a resolution of 1440 by 720p. The panel looks good in day-to-day usage. It has ample brightness and can be used in all kinds of lighting conditions. In the small time we have used the phone, color fidelity seems decent, but we would need to probe further before giving a concrete verdict. The smartphone runs on the tried and tested Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 platform, the same that we saw earlier on the Redmi 3 and the Lenovo K6 Power. It is just as powerful as its peers, and we did find the performance satisfactory for the price. We did see some slight lags at a couple of instances, but nothing which stood out. Moving down to the camera, at the rear the phone has a 13 megapixel camera with dual LED flash, and at the front the phone features a 20 megapixel camera with dual LED flash. The rear camera captures good images normally and in low light conditions. But you need to have a steady hand as the autofocus is a little inconsistent and slow at times. The good thing is that the camera maintains color consistency even in low light. The front-facing camera, on the other hand, does not feel as sharp as the rear shooter, and even though it uses a 20 megapixel sensor, the amount of details are not great. Among all things, we think the weakest link of the phone is the XOS UI, which feels a bit dated compared even to stock Android. We believe a third-party UI should essentially enhance the looks and functionality of a smartphone, but here it feels it is lacking in both. The good thing is that Infinix ships the phone with Android 8.0 Oreo, and since this is Android, you can easily install any launcher of your liking to customize it to your need. Overall, we think that the Infinix Hot S3 seems like a good phone for the price and could be made better with more integrated and modern-looking UI. We will be testing the phone further and more thoroughly over the next few weeks to provide you with a full review. Till then, you can tell us if you like this video by giving it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.